Hi everyone, this is Michael from BlueSkyBio. Sometimes it happens that a user purchases STL exports for the BlueSkyPlan software and the exports are not activated immediately. Just to provide some context and background, if you like to purchase exports to export the completed design, the surgical guide, the aligners, the models from the software, go ahead and click Purchase STL Exports. You could simply select the relevant amount of exports you'd like to purchase, and then each time you do an export, the software counts down the number of relevant exports remaining. However, sometimes even after going through the process successfully of purchasing exports, the software does not update immediately as it usually does with the active exports. What you should do in that situation is go back to File, Purchase STL Exports, and click Check Order Status button. The reason being, when you purchase STL exports, the orders are processed by PayPal, and BlueSkyPlan waits to get the confirmation confirming that the purchase has successfully been completed in order to activate the exports. However, in some situations, for various reasons, we don't get the confirmation back from PayPal that the purchase has been completed successfully, and therefore the software is not activated with the relevant number of exports. So clicking Check Order Status very often takes care of that problem, and you'll get a message on the screen that your exports have been activated. And then as well, if you go to Help About, you'll see the number of exports remaining. If that did not work, still don't worry, just email us at plan@blueskybio.com. We'll take care of it for you. We'll definitely activate your computer with the exports that you purchased.